who's Ivers Lee and who's Mr. Schüpbach?
Ivers Lee is a 75-year-old family-owned company.
What was the reason for you to decide to replace the existing serialization hardware and software?
So there were actually 4 reasons for which led to the change of the supplier.
What are, from your perspective, the advantages of the Hicof solution for your customers compared to other solutions?
The coding systems work very well and the ejection level is very low.
Have your expectations been fulfilled so far?
Yes, they were actually more than fulfilled.